In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Email Octopus. We will go from confirming who you are sending from, to importing contacts, and finally sending your first campaign. Follow along on your screen and take your time as you go. First, make sure you are signed in to your Email Octopus account. Look to the top right corner for Account Settings. Click Account Settings, then select Sender. This area controls the sender details that appear in your emails, like the name and email address recipients will see. Using a verified sender helps deliverability and reduces the chance of your messages being flagged. Next, click Add Sender. Enter the email address you want to send campaigns from, then start the verification process. Email Octopus will send a verification email to that address. Open that email in your inbox and complete the verification. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or promotions folders and make sure your inbox is not filtering automated messages. Once verified, return to Email Octopus and confirm the sender is listed and ready to use. Now it is time to add your contacts list. In the dashboard, click Lists, then choose the option to add contacts lists. A list is where your subscribers live, and it is what you will select when you send a campaign. Create or open the list you plan to use so you are ready for the import step. With your list ready, click Import to upload your CSV of contacts. Choose your CSV file, then review the import settings carefully. Make sure the email column maps correctly, and confirm any additional fields, like first name or tags, match the right columns. This is also a good time to quickly check your CSV before importing, so you avoid extra spaces, duplicates, or missing email addresses. Once your contacts are in, you are ready to create an email. Go to Campaigns, click Create, and choose Regular. Select the list you want to send to, then move into editing your content. Write a clear subject line, add your message, and review the layout so it reads well on both desktop and mobile. Before sending, do a quick final check for spelling, links, and sender details. When everything looks correct, click Send Now. Your campaign will be sent to the selected list immediately. That covers everything you need to know.